GitPodcast AI is one of the most exciting and innovative AI tools released recently, and today I'm diving into 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this powerful software. If you're looking to elevate your podcast game with cutting-edge AI, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to decide if GitPodcast AI is right for you. And hey, you can try it completely free through the first link below. GitPodcast AI isn't just another podcast tool, it's a game changer for creators looking to streamline content creation with artificial intelligence. With just a few clicks, you can have detailed transcripts, summaries, and even automatic episode generation. Whether you're a seasoned podcaster or someone just starting, this tool is a must-have. One of the standout features is its ability to generate a fully optimized episode transcript. GitPodcast AI can take your audio and turn it into clean, readable text in minutes. This means no more manual transcriptions or hiring expensive services. Not only does it save time, but it also boosts your podcast accessibility, making it easier for everyone to consume your content, including those who prefer reading over listening. But that's just the beginning. GitPodcast AI also uses advanced algorithms to analyze your podcast episode and automatically create detailed show notes, summarizing key moments and adding timestamps. This is an absolute game changer when it comes to improving user experience. Imagine giving your listeners the option to jump to specific parts of the episode without any extra effort on your part. The best part? It also improves SEO, making your content discoverable on platforms like Google and Apple Podcasts. Now, let's talk about automatic episode generation. If you're short on time or just need to churn out content quickly, GitPodcast AI can generate a full episode for you. By inputting a few keywords or topic suggestions, the software will use its AI capabilities to craft a podcast episode. Of course, you still have full control over the final product, but this feature is a huge time saver and perfect for those with tight schedules or when you want to cover trending topics without breaking a sweat. But there's more. GitPodcast AI offers deep integration with platforms like Spotify and Apple Podcasts, allowing for seamless distribution. No need to jump between platforms to upload your content. You can manage everything from within the GitPodcast AI dashboard, streamlining your entire podcasting process from creation to distribution. Another crucial feature is its analytics dashboard. GitPodcast AI doesn't just help you create your podcast, it helps you track how your content is performing. With detailed metrics on listener engagement, you'll know exactly what parts of your podcast are resonating with your audience and which areas need improvement. This data-driven approach can significantly enhance your content strategy. What I love about GitPodcast AI is how intuitive and user-friendly it is. You don't need to be a tech expert to make the most out of it. Its interface is clean and simple, and setting up your podcast with this software is a breeze. This accessibility factor makes it ideal for both beginners and experienced podcasters who want to focus more on content creation rather than technical setup. Finally, let's talk about cost. GitPodcast AI offers a free trial which you can access through the link below, and I highly recommend giving it a try if you're serious about improving your podcasting workflow. After trying thousands of AI tools myself, I've curated a list of the best, and GitPodcast AI definitely makes the cut. So, to wrap it up, GitPodcast AI is more than just a tool. It's a full-fledged podcasting assistant that can save you hours of work, improve your content quality, and boost your audience engagement. If you're looking to take your podcast to the next level, this software is a must-try. Don't forget, you can try it completely free from the link below. And after trying so many AI tools, I've also got my recommended software list for you in the description. Let me know your thoughts on GitPodcast AI and if you're ready to dive into the world of AI-powered podcasting.